energy and glucose.
So plants can make their own food.
This is the chemical equation for photosynthesis.
A heterotroph makes their own food. An autotroph doesn't make its own food.
Eukaryotic cells are the main molecule of chemical energy.
Word.
Where does photosynthesis take place in the plant?
The chloroplast! What's the main pigment in the plant? Chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, carotenoids! What are the two main stages of photosynthesis? Light reaction and dark reaction, otherwise known as the Calvin cycle!
Where does each stage take place in the chloroplast?
The light stage takes place in the thylakoid, and the dark stage takes place in the stroma.
What are the reactions of each stage?
Water, carbon dioxide, glucose, and H2O.
During this process, 6 atoms get converted into 2 molecules. The byproduct of photosynthesis is oxygen, water, and glucose. This is how photosynthesis works.
Cellular respiration is a process where the energy in glucose is transferred to ATP. The main source of energy that heterotrophs use is eating other organisms for food, since they can't synthesize their own food.
What is fermentation?
Fermentation is a specific chemical reaction in cellular respiration.
What is the byproduct of fermentation?
Lactic acid, CO2, and alcohol.
This is the chemical equation for cellular respiration. There are 3 steps in the cellular respiration cycle. The first step is glucose, the second is Krebs cycle, and the third is electron transport chain. What is produced in each step that carries down to the next step? The first one breaks down glucose into 2 molecules of pyruvate. The second step degrades pyruvate to carbon dioxide. And the third step produces NADH.
38 ATP is made overall in cellular respiration.
This is a flowchart of cellular respiration. This is the chemical equation of photosynthesis. This is the chemical equation of cellular respiration. The 2 cycles work together because respiration uses oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide, and the photosynthesis takes in the respiration's carbon dioxide and gives out oxygen. The main differences between cellular respiration and photosynthesis is that photosynthesis happens in 2 cycles and cellular respiration happens in 3. The main similarities between cellular respiration and photosynthesis is that both exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide. In Genesis, it talks a lot about how God created the earth, man and woman. God made our bodies so that cells would function together without us even needing to think about it. We breathe out carbon dioxide and we intake oxygen. Plants help us because plants intake our carbon dioxide and they exhale or give out the oxygen, and this helps us live our day-to-day life.